Hello everyone, I am Xenitakis Iakovos and this is my blog spot, 3D Printing News. Today we will talk about some basics of 3D printing. What is 3D printing and what is the equipment required for such a process? First of all, 3D printing is officially called additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is the process of manufacturing 3D objects through deposition of material in predefined points so that successive layers of the material are formed. Let's have a look on this. Here in this video, this printer has a nozzle and through this nozzle material is extruded. This material is deposited in layers, one layer after the other, until the final product is manufactured. In fact, additive manufacturing is an umbrella term, which means that it includes many methods of manufacturing. One of them is the popular term 3D printing. So some methods will be discussed in next posts. Now, what do I need to perform the 3D printing of an object? All I need is a computer with a designing program installed and a 3D printer which is also accompanied with software. It is called the slicing software and we will see why. So the process is the following. First of all, we design the object in the designing software. Some softwares are SolidWorks or AutoCAD. These are used by product industry and architects respectively. And there are also other programs like Rhinoceros, for example. When we finish with the design, we extract the design as a file which has an extension .stl like doc in Microsoft Word files. And then we take this STL file and we put it on slicing software of 3D printer. Now in the slicing software, some settings are adjusted like the printing angle of the object and some other settings are adjusted which mainly have to do with printing method. But the main usage of this software is that this software takes the design and slices it in separate layers, and each of these layers represent a real material layer. And you can see this in this figure. This is what the slicing software exactly does. And after we finish with slicing software, we are ready to print. We are just a click away. Click the mouse and 3D printer starts. After the end of 3D printing, the 3D printed object is cleaned and in general some post-printing procedures take place. And after this, our final product is ready. Well, that's all for today. Next time we will see where 3D printing applies. See you soon.